Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker, Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. Once again, I'm coming to you from our Thornton, Colorado store. I can tell you we have stores everywhere, but what am I talking about today? It is a special that we have on one of the best front load washers and dryers. They're actually from the 2020 line series. They are still the #3 best rated washer and dryer from one of my favorite consumer magazines. So the model numbers are the WM3700HWA and the DLEX 3700W. These are terrific front load washers. They're huge on the inside. They're family size. You can put a king size comfort in it with no problem. They've got steam in the washer, steam in the dryer. Just to remind you, steam in the washer, that loosens up any stains that are in there and it pops it free. It allows the washer to do a much better job. Steam in the dryer, well, that's just like, if you're gonna wanna iron everything, you don't want steam. But if you don't wanna iron everything, steam really helps in reducing the amount of wrinkles in your clothes. It is one of the fastest washers that you can use. It's one of the fastest dryers that you can use. And it's a terrific deal. Right now, if you look at our competition, Home Depot, Lowe's, Best Buy, I think the best price you can find out there is $9.99 each. So $2,000 for the set. So here at Appliance Factory, our special is terrific. It's actually $15.99 for the pair. If you buy the washer and dryer, you're going to get them for $15.99 for the pair.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.